everybody. We are in Moreno Valley today, once again, coming up to what I think used to be a Shell station, but I think someone else owns it now. Now, I've known about this wash for many years, but I never bothered to come in and check what it was. I think it's a soft gloss system, and from street view, I could tell it may still have the old AMTT paystation, which those are pretty old and starting to get ripped out and replaced, so it would be nice seeing one that still has it. And I believe this also had slimline dryers, so let's see if any of that is still relevant. This is a station called Conserv Fuel. Let's see what we got going on here, besides those lovely characters on the left. Oh! So it looks like the system's gotten replaced with a Washworld profile Apex. This is my third one in recent months, and I went so long without ever finding one of these. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now let's do this. I'm not sure if this one has the soft touch enabled. Oh, it does. Someone had requested I do a soft touch wash, but I don't really want to do a soft touch. I want to see what a touch-free cycle looks like, but maybe I'll come back and do a soft touch another time.
Please drive forward.
This one has the new Washworld voice on it. That's pretty cool.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
Interesting how this one didn't install any side blasters.
Please drive forward.
Oh, I see them. They're on the machine.
Please place car in park.
You see they're down there next to the side blasters.
A pre-soaked cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Sorry, I'm still getting over a cold.
A pre-soaked cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Sorry for the coughing there. Alright, so dryers did not do a very good job at all. As a matter of fact, I can actually see we got some soap still left on the hood. Not sure if you can see it all that well. But everything else looks pretty solid. Those dryers were not very good. Well, anyway, that was actually quite a surprise. I was not expecting to see a Washworld profile apex here at all. Supposedly not many operators choose to install them, but I guess that's starting to change. This is like my third one that I've ever found in recent months, excuse me. Well, anyway, I'm completely congested, so I'm going to get going, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I just did, and that's it.